What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on XRP. So if you are interested if those positions that I for example talked about in my previous analysis are still valid, or if you want to know about the new exact setups and the exact trades that I think XRP is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Here I am watching three main areas. The first one is this area of highest liquidity, which we can say this is the level 2.390. Then we are having here this bearish order block, which is between levels 2.467 and 2.408. And then we are having here this bullish order block, which is between levels 2.09 and 2.00. If you saw my previous XRP analysis, you know that I was talking about a trade in which I think we are somewhere in these areas, definitely above the area of the highest liquidity. And in that trading scenario, I was speculating for a breakout and then support confirmation, and then for a breakout of the current high. And in that trading scenario, I was preparing to open here a long trading position. This setup is still valid, but of course we still have to see that the breakout and then support confirmation of this resistance, and then increased bullish volume, so the breakout of those previous important highs. The main problem is that with this trade, you will probably need to adjust your stop loss a little bit, or you can place it like under the current lows. Me personally, I think that the best way where you can place it will be slightly under this area of the highest liquidity, so under the level, as I said, 2.390. So in this case, your potential stop loss will be around 6%. But in this case, you can see that we just formed here this new bearish order block, which is between levels, as I said, 2.47 and 2.40. And if we will see here a breakout and then support confirmation of all of these three things, this can be another interesting long opportunity. The setup is kind of similar like the previous one. So stop loss in this case, so you need to place like under this area of the highest liquidity, and also under all of these important resistances. And the last take profit target you can place slightly above that $3.5 mark, which will give you a potential profit around like 45%, something like that, and risk reward ratio 11.08. Also, you need to know that in a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take like under this first high, under this second high, under this current high, and then you want to take some of the profits something between levels like $3.5 mark to like $3.2 mark, something like that, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 11.08, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 7, 8, 6, something like that. It depends on actually how much profit you will take on each take profit target level, but this is in my opinion really great trade if you don't want to wait here for also a breakout of this current high. Of course, there is absolutely zero guarantee that we are gonna do this setup. And due to the current market condition, we can definitely go retest also this bullish order block. This bullish order block we can also use as a potential long entry, but in this case you want to wait here for a liquidity grab under these previous important lows, and then for a support confirmation. So in this case the setup can look exactly like this. Stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so for example something like this, and the last take profit target you can place on the exact same level, so something around like $3.6 mark, something like that. In this case, your risk reward ratio is gonna be around 15. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 10, 11, something like that, which is still really great. Take profit targets can remain exactly the same, but also you need to take some of the profits under the resistance and under the area of the highest liquidity, because in the previous trading scenario we were entering somewhere around here. So some of the profits you for example want to take around the level 2.29, then for example under like these two resistances, and then rest of the profits can remain exactly the same. If I'm gonna switch on a weekly time frame, then me personally, I think that the pump on XRP is definitely far from over. Definitely this entry is more risky, but we can still get here a potential really good risk reward ratio trade. Definitely, in my opinion, it's like not a good idea to buy XRP to your long-term portfolio on the current levels, because simply the risk is too high and the risk reward ratio without like these trading positions which are having like low stop loss is not that great. But I still think that in the upcoming bull market we are gonna hit something between like 4.5 to 5.5 dollar mark, something like that, which is still from the current level a potential pump around like 94% to like 138%, which is still really great. But keep in mind that like on the other altcoins there are simply better potential returns. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you for example want to copy my exact trade, or if you just want to follow my analysis, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also let me definitely know in the comments what is the exact price that you think XRP is gonna hit, because for me, like during this pump, this was one of my most favorite altcoins, because in my private group we made pretty nice profits. So yeah guys, as I said, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what is the exact price that you think XRP is gonna hit, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.